How to join live stream in Bigo Live. Wanna join a live stream and vibe with your favorite creators? Here's how to do it. First, open the Bigo Live. Right away, you will land on the home screen. This is your live stream hub. You will see tons of live stream happening right now. They autoplay in a scrollable feed. Swipe up or down to explore. Want to find something specific? Tap on search button, then search by username, tags, and topics. See one you like, just tap on the Steam to join it instantly. You are now watching live. You can comment in real time, send virtual gifts, follow the streamer, or just chill and enjoy the show. Wanna join as a guest? If the host allows, tap the apply to join icon, and that's it. You are officially in the live zone. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more fast and fun app tutorials. See you in the next video.